Hi everyone, this is Penguin Trades. So I actually just started making the EOD post, but I stopped because this downtrend has a break, two clear measured legs to a new low, and I'm just barely missing this right now. So I'm really hoping price just comes back and fills me. There could be another chance to get in on something above the EMA, but it's making this double bottom right here. Two perfect legs down. The downtrend just played out. Overall, we're extremely bullish, and I really hope this doesn't get away from me. Um, but yeah, so usually I'd be done trading at this point anyway, so I can't feel too bad. But um, I just saw this opportunity here, so I thought I'd just hit the recorder. I was about to write the EOD post for the site anyway. So anyway, I'm probably just gonna pause the recording, or maybe not, because it's pushing on down. I was gonna say I'll pause it until I get a fill, but I might just record this whole thing. Um, but yeah, so I'm just gonna let this record. I'm not gonna commentate over it. Um, so here, I'm just gonna leave it right here. Here, I'll show the whole day so far. So price met this. There we go. Okay, yeah. So it's already set. I always draw out the RR for my trades. Even if I am not recording it, I always draw it out because I like to see I always like to make sure that it's perfect, that it's not off at all. I have it set to automatically go to 115 for here on the NQ. Every now and then I do adjust that. It's not a set standard every single time, but generally 115 on the NQ for these measured move trades has been good. And so that's why I have it automatically set to 115. And so, yeah, just wanted to get this recording in. I'm just going to I'm not going to pause it. I'm going to mute the mic and just let this record. So it's a double bottom, measured move being met, looking to, basically just reverse from this downtrend playing out. And yeah, there's a chance it might push down and test this trend line right here because, it's clearly valid from this swing. We draw it off there. Overall, the price action is fitting very well with this angle, so it appears to be a valid trend line. So it might push down to attempt to test it. So I won't be worried if it starts pulling back or anything. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and mute my mic now and let this play out. I really hope you enjoy this trade, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, and we are out of that. So again, just to recap, this uptrend played out with a break and a push to a new high, and that pushed price into a reversal. Price formed this downtrend. We got a break and two pushes down to a new low. And this is what we're buying here. We're buying this measured move at this double bottom. The downtrend played out, looking to get along with the overall uptrend. We had this major measured move that price met. It pushed on through, and it made this attempt down and made a couple attempts to reverse after pushing through it, which it made more attempts inside of this channel here, but it's all one structure here. So when it broke that structure, that's a new first attempt to reverse, second attempt, and then a failure, continuing on higher. The overshoot is what basically pushed price into this downtrend. And again, the downtrend played out with a break, two clear legs to a new low, buying on that double bottom, riding it to this swing right here, 115 ticks. So yeah, just wanted to, explain this. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something from it, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.